The curiosity to know more, the contentment of a day spent well. There is a thread that connects all these stories. A name that takes away a little of our worries, helping us to go where we want to go. Vivek Travels. The journey of Vivek Travels began on 23rd September 1969 with Mr. Baldev Raj Bhatia, who started with just one bus. His dedication and hard work gave wings to his dreams, and he passed on the baton to his son, Mr. Vivek Bhatia. The legacy of excellence continued, and now the third generation is carrying on the proud name of Vivek Travels with Vistrit Bhatia coming on board. Today, Vivek Travels owns a fleet of 750 vehicles.
मेरे फादर ने 1969 को विवेक ट्रैवल्स को शुरू किया और इस जर्नी में उनकी काफ़ी मेहनत और लगन लगी हुई है मेरे फादर की, जिन्होंने काफ़ी उतार चढ़ावों के बाद इमरजेंसीज भी लगी, बीच में काम ख़त्म हुआ, काम शुरू हुआ और एक बस से दो बस से तीन बस तक हम लोग पहुँचे। इन 82 मेरे फादर को अटैक हो गया पैरालिसिस का, उसके बाद से मैंने टेक ओवर किया, जिसमें कि हम इसको लगातार आगे बढ़ाते हुए चले आ रहे हैं।
A turning point for the company came during the shooting of the epic movie Gandhi, where we helped in the transportation of the crew members.
जैसे कि जब दो बस थी हमारे पास तो फादर ने मेरे गांधी फिल्म की शूटिंग करवाई।
Honoring the commitment, it could be 100 buses a day, 200 buses a day, it could be 20 buses a day, and in different locations. So I could not look for anyone other than our friend Baldev Raj Bhatia ji. I asked him, I said, look, this is a challenge, and the challenge is that we'll be told a day before, we will need 40 buses.
बहुत अच्छे से पूरी की। उस फिल्म को मैक्सिमम ऑस्कर फिल्म पुरस्कार भी मिले हैं और उसके बाद ये जर्नी चलती चली गई और आज हम 100 से ज़्यादा क्लाइंट्स को अपनी सेवाएं दे पा रहे हैं और ये लिस्ट जो आगे बढ़ती जाएगी और ये सिर्फ शुरुआत है।
So phenomenal was the growth that the name Vivek Travels soon became synonymous with quality, trust and efficiency.
वर्ल्ड कल्चरल फेस्टिवल जो कि श्री श्री रविशंकर जी ने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया था दिल्ली में, उसमें हमने 155 देशों के 15,000 से ज़्यादा लोगों को ट्रांसपोर्टेशन किया और डिफरेंट वेदर कंडीशंस में उनको लेके आए और लेके गए। मुझे ये कहते हुए बहुत खुशी है कि हमने उसे सक्सेसफुली मैनेज किया।
Today, Vivek Travels has become the preferred choice of transportation for a myriad of people.
I am glad to say that we are taking transportation services from Vivek Travels for the last 15 years, and we are very much satisfied with their services. Their USP is dependency. Whenever we book them, we are tension free.
In these uncertain times, getting children to school safely and on time is a huge responsibility. And Vivek Travels prides itself on doing just that. Day in and day out, with a fleet of buses that transport children to various schools of Delhi. In fact, we got an award in 2017 in the same segment.
We are fortunate enough that we have been associated with Vivek Travels from the last 20 years, and this long-term association is based on trust, mutual respect for each other, and of course, they are providing the best of services for our school children.
We have over 100 corporate clients where we help young achievers get to their workplace on time and without worrying about the commute, because they know Vivek Travels got them covered.
and I wish they'll complete next 50 years by giving good and better services to us.
I have been traveling with Vivek Travels since last 4 years, and the buses are very comfortable.
To help people go to other cities comfortably and in style, Vivek Travels is also providing high-end luxury buses to state roadways like UPSRTC and HRTC.
Messrs. Vivek Travel has a rich history of almost 50 years now, and they have been associated with Indian Railways for a long time. I personally have been working in diverse positions in different field units over Indian Railways, and somehow it has been a coincidence for the last 10 to 15 years that in most of the field units I found that Messrs. Vivek Travels was serving the field unit as well as Indian Railways.
All these achievements have been possible only because of the team of Vivek Travels, and that is why the company takes extremely good care of their employees, knowing that when they are happy, the customers will also be happy.
मैंने 2004 में कंपनी ज्वाइन की थी। 2019 में आज मुझे यहाँ पर 15 साल हो गए और मैं चाहता हूँ कि हमेशा मैं यहीं पर काम करता रहूँ।
I'm highly grateful that Vivek Travels, such an esteemed company, gave me a chance to be the part of this company. I as an employee feel so proud.
और इस 50 साल के सफ़र में आज 28 साल मुझे हो गए काम करते करते, और इस एसोसिएशन के साथ मुझे काम करते हुए अपार खुशी होती है।
मैं विवेक ट्रैवल्स में गाड़ी चलाता हूँ। जैसे टूरिस्ट बाहर से घूमने आते हैं, यहाँ से लेह लद्दाख, श्रीनगर, शिमला, मनाली, हर जगह कस्टमर आते हैं, उनको घुमाते हैं।
मैं टूरिस्ट की गाड़ी चलाता हूँ और हम अपनी यात्रियों का विशेष ध्यान रखते हैं। हर प्रकार की सुविधाएं हम प्रदान करते हैं।
मैं काम करता हूँ 2007 से और मैं लग्जरी कार चलाता हूँ और कंपनी में काम करके बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है और आगे भविष्य में करते रहेंगे काम।
We have been growing at a rate of 15% CAGR in the past 5 years. We are confident of maintaining this high growth trajectory even despite the slowdown Indian economy is going into. This is because we have been constantly reinventing ourselves and making forays into new business opportunities. Today, Vivek Travels is 50 years old. I would rather say it is 50 years young.
Being a conscious organization, we welcome new technologies that reduce the impact on the environment.
Like once, we have done it in 2001, where we converted all our diesel buses into CNG buses to reduce the carbon emissions. And now is the time to incorporate another change into electrical energy, where we are planning to provide electrical cars and buses to our clients.
And while the journey of Vivek Travels has been long and fruitful, it is far from the end. Vivek Travels, we make your world moving.